Hi there, today we're taking a look at the ScentNote by ScentBridge, a sleek, modern diffuser designed to make scenting your space easier and more customizable than ever before. In this video, we'll walk through the unboxing, the physical setup, and app control so you could see just how simple and effective this system is. Let's get right into it. First up, we're going to take a look at what's inside the box. Right away, you'll notice the ScentNote diffuser's sleek and modern design. It's compact, stylish, and blends perfectly into any room's decor. You'll also find a quick start guide with all the instructions needed, plus the hardware and bracket for wall mounting if you prefer it off your counters. Everything you need to get started is right here. Just grab your favorite scent cartridge and you're good to go. The setup is really simple and easy. First, simply remove the cap from your new scent bottle. Just to note that these are sold separately and there are over 75 amazing scents to choose from. Insert the pickup tube and screw the atomizing head securely onto the bottle and push it into the unit until it's seated firmly. Close the system door, and that's it. Now for power, you have two options. You can insert a D-cell battery or simply plug a standard USB cable into the back of the unit and then into the wall. Please note that these are not included. And just like that, the physical setup is complete and it's super simple. Now for the fun part, controlling your ScentNote within the app. This is where things get next level. So first, download the ScentBridge app from the App Store or Google Play. Once it's installed, pairing the device is quick and easy. Just follow the simple on-screen instructions and you'll be ready to go in no time. With the app, creating the perfect ambiance is literally just a tap away. You can choose scent intensity, set schedules, and even switch fragrances all from your phone. One of my favorite things about the ScentNote is how seamlessly it fits into any room. Whether it's your living room, bedroom, or office, the sleek design complements any decor without being intrusive. From unboxing to app control, this diffuser makes scenting your space effortless and totally customizable. Plus, with so many scents to choose from, you'll never run out of options. And that's it, your ScentNote is ready to go. We hope this video made setup easy and got you excited to start exploring all the amazing scents we offer. If you have any questions or just want to learn more, please visit our website. Thanks so much for watching.